Hi everybody, I'm here today to talk about syllables. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a single unbroken sound in a written word or even a spoken word. Sometimes syllables are also referred to as beats in a word. Now let's figure out what really a syllable is today. Let me give you a few examples. Let's take the word book. This word has a single syllable or a single beat. Let's take the word moon. Once again, a single beat or a single syllable. Let's take the word table. Table. This word has two syllables or two beats. Let's take another word, drama. Again, this word has two syllables or two beats. Let's go back to the words with a single syllable. Book, single beat. Moon, single beat. Can you think of some words with a single beat? Alright, now let's make it a little more complicated. Let's think of a bigger word. Let's say banana. How many beats did you hear? 3. So it has 3 syllables. Crocodile. Again, 3 syllables. Potato. Again, 3 syllables. So essentially, a syllable is a beat in a word. Syllables usually contain a vowel and are accompanied by consonants. An easy way to figure out how many syllables a word has is to clap it out. You can try it with your own name. Let's see how many syllables or beats are there in my name. Although it's not an English name, but I can still figure out how many beats are there in it. Rohini. So there are 3 beats in my name or 3 syllables in mine. You can work it out for your name as well. Now I'm sure you know what syllables are and you can easily figure them out for any word in the English language. This is very important information and we will be applying this rule in several other rules that we will learn going forward. I will see you again with another video very soon. Bye bye and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.